Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurwati binti Ahmad Fauzi and I am undergraduate student from UiTM Puncak Alam. And today I will be talking about my research study with the title A Study of Organization Support, Tacit and Explicit Knowledge Towards Innovative Work Behavior. As for the background of this study, we need to know four main point, which is organization support, tacit knowledge, explicit knowledge, and innovative work behavior. What is organization support? Organization support is when employee receives support from their colleague or from their work environment, their surrounding, in order for them to do their work. As for tacit knowledge, is the knowledge where employees gain from their observation on others' act and then they apply it to themselves. For explicit knowledge, is the knowledge where employees gain in a documented form, for example, book or company manual. And then when they read it, they can apply it to themselves. As for innovative work behavior, is a behavior where employees have, for example, when they're brainstorming, they create new ideas, and then when they work, they have a creative skill in order for them to improve their productivity and also increase the productions of the company. For problem statement, why I do this study is because for competitive advantage for businesses in today's highly competitive global environment, firms must be innovative. Firm cannot be innovative by itself without employees that have innovative work behavior. Employee that have innovative work behavior is a vital resource for a company to succeed. Next, why I do this study is that because Malaysia was ranked at the 35th place in 2016 and then fell 2 points at the 37th place in 2017. But before, Malaysia was ranked at the 31st in 2011 and 32nd at 2013 for the top 70 ranking of Global Innovation Index. This is mean that Malaysia have fell so many points years by years. The research question, it was asked about what are the level of innovative work behavior. Number 2, what are the major preferred influence of innovative work behavior? Number 3, is there any relationship between tacit and explicit knowledge towards innovative work behavior? And number 4, is there any relationship between organization support toward innovative work behavior? And for research objective, we want to measure the level of innovative work behavior. The second one, we want to examine the major preferred influence of innovative work behavior. The last one, we want to determine is there any relationship between organization support, tacit and explicit knowledge towards innovative work behavior. As for the research methodology, the type of study that I use is a quantitative study, which is I use correlational research. Why I use correlational research is because I'm being study about two variables, which is independent variable and dependent variable. And as for the populations, I'm focusing more for the middle management employee at Jabatan Veterina Negeri Kedah. As sample size, I'm using 140. Why 140? It is because according to Craigie and Morgan table, if the population of a place is 220, the suitable sampling size is 140. As for the unit analysis, I do individually. For the instrument, it is questionnaire survey, consists of 5 sections A, B, C, D, and E. And data collection method I using is questionnaire. For the response rate, it is 70% for 140 questionnaire rate. At the beginning, I distribute about 200 questionnaire for the middle management employee, and then in return I received 150, but only 140 was valid. This is mean that 10 questionnaire was invalid. For the result of reliability analysis, all variables have a high Cronbach alpha, which is 0.7 and above, which is high and very high. For tacit knowledge, the Cronbach alpha is 0.831. Tacit knowledge, the Cronbach alpha is 0.874. Organization support for the Cronbach alpha is 0.799. And lastly, for the innovative work behavior, the Cronbach alpha is 0.821. As for the demographic profile of respondent, the most participate respondent for the age. As for the age, the most participate respondent is 27.9% from the age of 20 until 30. As for the gender, the most participate for this questionnaire, it is 71.4%. It is a male respondent, the highest for gender. For the marital status, the most participate respondent is already married for 93.6%. As for grade in the company, the most participate respondent is from grade G29 for 43.6%. And lastly, for duration of work, the employee that have the most participation in this questionnaire was from employee that work more than 20 years for 25%. Analysis, we want to know what are the major preferred influence of innovative work behavior, and the results is tacit knowledge is the major preferred influence of innovative work behavior with the mean of 4.071. As for the correlational analysis result, the relationship between independent and dependent variable all was significant. For hypothesis testing, it has been stated that there is a positive relationship between tacit knowledge and innovative work behavior, and the result was accepted because it was significant, and also it has a moderate relationship. For the hypothesis 2, there is a positive relationship between explicit knowledge and innovative work behavior. The result was accepted also because it is significant, and it also have a moderate relationship. For hypothesis 3, stating that there is a relationship between organization support and innovative work behavior, the hypothesis also was accepted because it's significant and it also have a moderate relationship. Hypothesis testing, all the independent and dependent variable was accepted, and it also has been supported by previous journal, which is from Tsai 2015. In his study also, the study of tacit knowledge, explicit knowledge, and organization support towards innovative work behavior. In his study also, it shows that tacit knowledge, explicit knowledge, and organization support have a positive relationship towards innovative work behavior. As for the conclusion, throughout this study, the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable was positive and accepted. The finding in the study shows that tacit knowledge, explicit knowledge, and organization support can be the factor that can lead to innovative work behavior. As for the recommendation, I think companies should maintain their knowledge capital by sending the employee to knowledge management or seminar so that they know how to store the knowledge, and also company also can document all the information or knowledge that employee have in order to pass down to the new employee for them to do as a references. Other than that, companies should also use a platform for their employee to share information. For example, WhatsApp group. It is the best way for employee. WhatsApp group is the best way for employee to share their information with each other. Other than that, for organization finally, for organization support, companies should do team building in order to have a good connection or bond between employee. As for the future research, other researchers could use a larger sample size so that they can get different results, and they can use other methods for data collection such as interview, survey, observation, also questionnaire. And other than that, other researcher could do this study on a variety organization, because when they do this study on a variety organization, they might have a better result and also a different result to be compared to. They can conclude what are the most factors that can lead to innovative work behavior. So that's all from me for my research study. Thank you so much.